Michael from ETS. Today on Inside the TOEFL Test, we're going inside the TOEFL IBT reading section, specifically the factual information and negative factual information questions. Factual information questions ask you to recognize information that is explicitly stated in the text. These may include facts such as major ideas, supporting details, or definitions. Negative factual information questions are similar, except that instead of only one answer being true, 3 of the 4 answers are true, and you have to determine which one is false. Factual information questions will have phrases like according to the paragraph, or paragraph X answers which of the following in the question. For negative factual information questions, look for the words not or except in capital letters. Here are some tips for answering factual and negative factual information questions. Number 1, don't automatically select an answer just because it contains words or phrases from the paragraph. Make sure you carefully evaluate each option to determine if it's correct. 2, for the negative factual information questions, remember that you're looking for an answer that either isn't in the paragraph or directly contradicts information in the paragraph. Let's look at a sample factual information question. First, here's an excerpt from a reading passage about meteorite impacts. And here's the question. Be careful when selecting your answer, because 3 of the 4 answer choices misstate information from the passage or contradict information from the passage. One answer we can definitely eliminate is C, because there is no mention in this paragraph of archaeologists working in the Yucatan region. Choice A looks like what is said here in the last 2 sentences, where it does say they found the crater in 1990, but they determined in 1980 that there was a meteorite impact, so it's not choice A. Choice D is incorrect because it says that they located a meteorite, which is not true because what they found was the crater and other evidence of the meteorite impact, not the meteorite itself. That leaves choice B, which is supported by the 2nd and 3rd sentences. The 2nd sentence mentions the worldwide layer of sediment, and the 3rd sentence explains how it is unique. Therefore, B is the correct answer. Now let's look at a negative factual information question. Here is another paragraph about meteorite impacts from the same reading passage. And here's the question. You know it's a negative factual information question because of the word except in capital letters. So 3 of the choices are going to match information in the paragraph, and only 1 will not. Let's see how many correct choices we can find by scanning for key words that appear in the answers like dust, sunlight, cold, dark, elements, crust, and nitric acid. We may also need to look for synonyms of these words. So if we scan the paragraph for some text about dust and blocked sunlight that corresponds to choice A, we find this, and it's a match. Choice B is here, where it talks about the cold and darkness. There's nothing in the paragraph that talks about new elements or the Earth's crust, so choice C looks like it might be the answer. For choice D, we found that information here, where it talks about nitric acid. So choice C is our answer. Here's a tip to help you improve your reading skills. Read news and magazine articles about various subjects as often as you can, and practice taking notes. When deciding what to write down, ask yourself, what pieces of information are important, or relevant, or credible? Then write those down, but keep the notes short. That will help you remember important information in what you read. There are lots of ways to improve your English skills. Whatever you do, keep practicing, and good luck on your TOEFL test.